Hello. Apoksa Student Union former President Khomrot Naganjung Alef.
Apoksa Student Union 2025. We sincerely thank you all for being a part of this important program.
The theme for this session, Inspiring Minds, Igniting Change, reflects the responsibility entrusted to us as students and future leaders. It encourages us to develop thoughtful perspectives and to work with commitment towards meaningful and positive change.
To begin this inaugural session, let us humbly seek God's guidance and blessing upon this gathering. We now invite Mr. S. Minka, Pastor KBC, to lead us for the invocation.
In the Bible verse, you come to Akamar Kameteju. You know, Toto Jikbiata, Bible verse, related to Buri, Chetaji to Sevena, Toto Pisana. Matika, Shotro, relate Charagan Chevan Gaza. Zigan Nori, Sakuaka Jipe, Timaki, Papu. Zoto Joji, Zayot Maria Benga, Pin or Tsunabe. Amawa, what was that? In a good cigarette of Kosana. Atala comes a baba, Kaji Sakbe. Hero by Sak Jacksua. No second of the Nabida Chicken Sabe. Jona to talk to him, hey, no Nicaragua, the Tahama, Pitachina. No, sir. A box series union. Jikat Nigava. He didn't move the Jina. Luja the Jina, take Rugumchi. No, sir. Jehala, third Juna Baby. Gadu Papa, Relek Papa. Sadulanta, Kachegulonti Salunta, Turpevity Poor. Tida, Zano Megasana Hiribita, Sara, Hiribita, Pemna, Jagan of Sarawa, no Zevan of the Miheva, Izarva Pevataji, Chernegatu, no son of Wataji, Kandan Wataji, Asakaju, no Yovana, Kimihena, Vikachukuba Salati, Hirika to Hamari Mijeval Sagana, Hira Vemisha Zaragesa. Jesus is the Hirika, Savanyo Vidajana, above all, Akteka, Tratamari Covetu. Amen.
Thank you, Pastor, for the prayer and for seeking God's blessings for this session.
We now invite Mr. Jahan Baen to deliver the presidential address.
Good morning, everyone. Respected outcomers, our special guest, Sir Jimmy Newton, lecturer, Government Polytechnic student, and his colleagues, friends, President BSU and his colleagues, President Arbo, President ABCF, all the VCCs, VDBs, Village Council Secretaries, GB's stakeholders invited My name is Shagun Ba, and on behalf of the Apoksa Students Union, it is my sincere pleasure to welcome you all on this 50th General Session on Inspiring Minds, Igniting Change. On this auspicious day, we have a diverse audience today with participants, expertise, delegates joining us from across Apoksa and even beyond. I would like to extend a special welcome to our special guest, whose groundbreaking work in lecture, Government Polytechnic setting has been an inspiration to many. Your enthusiasm is contagious and will help to set a positive atmosphere for this session. Thank you all for taking time out of your busy schedule to be here. Your participation and engagement are invaluable to our collective success. May the 50th General Session inspire the minds of Apoksa and ignite the change. Thank you one and all. Vox Populi, Vox Vinci.
Thank you, Mr. President, for a warm welcome note.
Encouraging and recognizing academic excellence continue to be a key focus of the Union. We shall now proceed with the presentation of the ASU Meritorious Award.
We respectfully invite our special guest, Sri Jim Seng Yute, to present the award to the meritorious students. At first, we have Tse Chong Pisiro, securing top 6 in the 20. Securing top 6 in a higher secondary school living certificate examination conducted in the year 2024 in the science stream. Tse Chong Pisiro. Next, we have Miss Ye Hung Wei Teo, top 5 in the elementary school under Mallory, 2025. Now we have Mr. Tahu Pak, top 1 in primary school under Mallory, 2025. Special presentation. And our Major 30 Assam Rifles to please stand on your feet and receive our special presentation. The Village Council Kakeko. And I request all our village councils, German, 3 VCCs. And all the 3 VDBs, ARPO President, APCF President, ARPO President, APCF President, this special case work Zedinga, Nagda Zena, Pique, Tomogamze, Strana Video. Team BG Executive 3. Five pastors, catechists, 3 council secretary. Na wage tatana hamshiwa hungoti ko neye zajazo. Jungjang nyama dito, amiwa ayawa dana ma chongcha shangwa maktawo jingyang ba. Cha tozi AC office per kong nyama dito zi. A new Akiba village kong zi, cleanest village. Rang a chongshi kong a zi rang ye wu ne vat a chongshi kong nyama ba ye. Cha zhung ne. Na re tatana na village council chairman pa zagita na Cleanest Village Award was Zaza Tsongetao. May we invite Mr. Romoli Larry, President Butchery Students Union, to deliver the tradings.
At the outset, I give all thanks and glory to our Almighty God for enabling us such a wonderful gathering this morning at Kukiko Village Council Hall, despite of our shortcomings and weaknesses. I am immensely overwhelmed and exhilarated to be a part of this 58th General Conference of the Apoksa Students Union. As we congregate here under the able President, none other than my good friend, Zahanbar. I take this time to comment and applaud the efforts of the ASU team and of his peers who have come up with a wonderful program enabling us to gather in this wonderful manner. Thank you, campers, for the time. I give my respect to our special guest, Shiri Chimsenute, the lecturer, Government Polytechnic System Twingsong Nagaland, and his entire entourage, the president of the Apoksa Students Union and his entire executives, the village chiefs, the 3 village council, pastors, church leaders, women leaders, and all the leaders from various organizations. My dear student friends, dignitaries on and off the dais, once again a very good morning to each and every one of you. I bring warm greetings from the office of the Pojuri Students Union. This morning, as I stand here as the president of the Pojuri Students Union, I want to greet all of you with the truest sense of love and gratitude. From the office of the Pojuri Students Union, for the reason that the Apoksa Students Union has immensely contributed to the office of the Pojuri Students Union since the formation of PSU in the year 1958. And today, it is all because of your love, your support, and your support. The PSU has stood the test of time, and we are here together, fighting for the rights and aspiration of our students and of our people. With permission from our compeers, I would also like to dwell certain of my presentation in Nagamis for the convenience of some of our parents who are here this morning. It is not only about the greetings of the PSU that I'm here today, but as I've mentioned earlier, I'm here to reinstate the relationship of the Pojuri Students Union with our community and with our beloved students. We have been, we are, and we will always be together, and then we will continue to strive, strengthen, and work for the betterment and upliftment of our community. My dear students, friends, taking this opportunity, I would also like to dwell that I would also further like to encourage each and every one of us once again that wherever we may be, we must never forget our own roots, and that when you come back home, continue to bring the good name to the village and to the community, and continue to bring laurels and good names to the community as well. I will also further like to encourage each one of us to see the good soul, to sow a good seed during our youth life, which is our pride life, and later on, in the new welcoming days, that is during our old age time, we wish and we hope to have a good harvest that we have sowed during our youth life and during our students' life as well. On this note, I would like to encourage our students, friends, that times have changed, and it is time for all of us to rise above our comfort zone, sacrifice beyond our imagination, so that we will be able to achieve our dreams and goals. We must keep in mind that no matter how big or small our dreams may be, we must always keep in mind that we must continue to live our life with honesty and dignity. And in that way, we will be able to live our life in a prosperous life. Bishi Kushi Braina Thigase, Yadea Jimoni Kukio Village 10, attending the 50th General Conference. This is my second visit, attending the conference and then the sports meets of the Apoksa Students Union. Just the 3rd January the Aisha, Arabi Aigina, Apni Gambra, PSU Kangi Morom Grihina, Amina team Kangi Morom Grihina, opportunity did Hayava Pshidama Twina Patiase. Aigina Hayava parents can get Ekta Kota Libina Koigina the Jabali to Roman Naidura, Amina Misti Chief Grihina Yazin. Apni Galaga, Morom Aminan students community did Hayava. Amingalaga खुशी अपने यहाँ के दिए से इस और मोरम गुरुबले दिवी ना परी ना धजिले भी अपनी गान खाबोले लगा अपनी गान लोबोले लगा अपनी गान पिंडी बोले लगा होले भी अपनी गान सब sacrifice करी के ना अमगान students का निमित्ते सब sacrifice करी के ना अपने गान राय दुख सुख भी झरी के ना अमिगान के खालो भी दिए से इतनी नवदिन education दी था क्या बा अपने गान के पिछे डॉलर ठुना बात दिए से आई के ना idea to us to dunia to change we change the gabra. Upon Ama Buba and Libe, American students can give Libe liberal term to Nahobo, will be আমি কান স্টুডেন্টস খান গে হলিবে আমি কান লাগান নিজ পটেনশিয়াল কি খুশি পায় তাতে আপনি হাবি সাপোর্ট করি না থাকিবি আমার কান পয়লা তো আছে বলে দি ইঞ্জিনিয়ার ডাক্তারস তাতে আমি কান বেশি ফোকাস করি নাই থাকিছে গভর্নমেন্ট সার্ভিসতে মল ঠান্ডা লাগে বা শিৱৰ গ্লাছে প্লিজ এক্সকিউজ মি ইনে আমনে থাকিয়া বৰা আজিকালি লগা জামানাটো অলপ আলাপ হৈ যাব বৰা আমি কান স্টুডেন্টস খান এতিয়া কিতাপ পঢ়ে কান সব মানুহে ডাক্তৰ বি কৰিব নাপাৰিব গভৰ্নমেন্ট জব হোল্ডাৰ বি সব মানুহে হ'ব নাপাৰিব হলিবি তাইখান নিজৰ কিতাপ পঢ়ি কিনে আহি দাম দে তাইখান কি লগা টেলেণ্ট থাকি আছে তাতে আপুনি আমরা বি মতক দি কিনে তাইখান কিবি তাইখান লগা ড্ৰিমছটো পাৰ্সিউ কৰিবলৈ দিলে বেছি ভাল হ'ব দেন মেনি এ টাইমছ বেছি পৰ আমি কান অবজাৰ্ভ কৰি না আহি থাকে ষ্টুডেণ্টছ আৰু পেৰেণ্টছ লগা ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপ কেতিয়াবা মিলিব নাপাৰে এনে বি থাকি যায় ষ্টুডেণ্টছ কান তাহান মন দুখ টাইম দে আমাৰ বাবাকে ক'বলৈ নাপাৰে যায় থাকে তাহান দিগদাৰ পাই যাম দে ইটোই নাপাই কিনা আমাৰ বাবা খান তাহান দুখ পাই লগা থাকিলে বি পাচাংগি শিৱ বি ঘূৰিব নাপাৰে কিনা এনেকা থাকি কিনা একজন লগা দুখ সুখ বি নাজানি কিনা বি আহি থাকে এইটোৰ পৰা হোৱাটছ এভাৰ ইট মে বি কি হৈ নাথাকিলে বি এজ এ ফেমিলি আমাৰ আৰু পাচা লগা ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপটো ভালদৰে বিল্ড কৰি থাকিবি আপনি কান আজিকালি এডুকেশ্যন দিয়াই নহয় কিনা বিয়ণ্ড ডেট আপনি কান মৰম কৰি আছে বেছি থেংকছ আৰু বি কণ্টিনিউ আপনি কান লগা ৰিলেশ্যনটো ভালদৰে বিল্ড কৰি কিনা বাচ্চা খান দিবি আপনি কান লগা প্লেজিং বি দিবি আমি কান দিবি আপনি কান লগা প্লেজিং বি দি থাকিব কিনে জনাই দি আছে ওৱান ছেকেণ্ড আহিছে বেছি খুচি পৰা থাকি আছে আপনি কান আমাৰ বাবু খান কণ্টিনিউ আছো কিবি বুলি চাই থাকিবি এণ্ড দেন আহি কিনা আমি লগা PSU ফেমিলি দি বুলি আপনি আমরা আজি তাক সাপোর্ট করে থাকে নিচিনা কন্টিনিউ এনেকা সাপোর্ট করে যাবে গুইনে তো এপিল করে আছে এন্ড দেন ওয়ান্স अगेन I would further like to remind once again all of us that once we step out of our own village, no matter where we may be, in towns, cities, and in other countries or whatsoever it may be, the moment we step out of our village, we must always keep in mind that when we come back home and visit our family, our community, we should create that kind of an environment where our community, our leaders, our own people must take pride in whatsoever we become. Jai kina ami han kuti birai thakile be busti khurai kina ahidam de ami han ki bhal dam guri kina busti de ani ase itu loi kina আমি লাga কমিউনিটি খাবে ফুটানি বলিবি ফুটানি ভাও দেবা থাকিবলৈ লাগা এনভাইৰনমেন্ট ক্ৰিয়েট কৰিবলৈ দিবি once again I really want to thank the ASO officials for giving us the opportunity to be a part of this 50th General Conference. Before I take my seat, I would further want to commend and applaud the efforts of the ASU, and once again I convey my best wishes for the successful program of this 50th General Session of the Apoksa Students Union. Thank you once again for your patient hearing. Long live Apoksa Students Union. Long live Pujuri Students Union, Kupnali.
Thank you, Mr. Wangale, President Pujuri Students Union, for your warm and encouraging message.
To reflect upon our roots and collective journey, we now present Apoksa Bokshirawi, which highlights the origin and historical background of Apoksa. Apoksa konyenyi atse tatak teli raju alsa kon tasa ka tajang ayo chamewan tanyau
and inhabited this beautiful land called Apoksa, located in the southeastern part of Nagaland, under the embrace of Mallory district, untouched. The ground stirred, and the first ancestor, Kei Hyangche, pushed his way into the light.
Ikemiba, Junjaiko, Mahamshu. Ika, Anin English and Navajo. I Japunta, Imiro, Amanyali Toletao, something with Toletao.
Kei Hyang-chul carried the life of the future. Following him came Yang-chu, Mat-sing-chu, and Kyang Ho-tsing, each burdened with the gifts of nature, seedlings and promise for their new home. The ancestors brought the seeds that would feed their generations. They looked upon the beautiful valley and knew this was where the story would take root. And now more people began to follow, emerging, rapidly settling the land. But the bounty of life soon brought a problem. People were springing forth too excessively. The space was becoming overcrowded. The elders decided the hole must be closed to save the settlements already made. They rolled a great stone towards Mongsokokchu. As they did, one last soul began to emerge, a woman of extraordinary beauty.
Nika, kanyang sibaw, yahi, asang lagi makiaku, ambil rosina yaku, nika kanyang sibaw, jauh dia.
Ika sibaw ko ang atas na ipa kyak chokyang jangda ija shutsikyang ina abalaji sangda na zongde si jibai.
And so the hole was sealed, the prophecy was made, and it is said that in the days that followed, the people slipped and fell often, their balance lost because of the curse of the beautiful girl they turned away. The beautiful girl did not vanish. Legends tell us that she found another path, springing forth at the village of Keja Keno. And because of her beauty, it is said that the women of Keja Keno are famed for their loveliness and beauty. This myth is more than a story of origin. It is a tapestry woven with the thread of life, culture, and connection among the people of Apoksa. The tale of Mongsokokchu reminds us that our cultural identity is rooted in these ancient springs. The emergence from the earth, the foresight to bring seedlings, the unity in settlement, these are the values of the Apoksa people. It is our duty to keep these stories alive, not just as relics of the past, but as living guides for the future. By preserving the legends of Kei Hyang-chul and the prophecy of the beautiful girl, we preserve the very soul of our right heritage and culture. Thank you.
Formal session, we invite Ms. Takine Zhang to present a special song.
respected dignitaries on the dais, and all the chairmen, all the presidents, village elders, GPs, and parents, and all my beloved students. A very good morning to each and every one of you. Or as we say, I think in Poksha it's Atsingatabe. So manuge Atsingatabe diaze. Ide aji moide kodawado bishibak kuchuri kodabi kolimun jaye because we know that mal on dialectic we should do ekta mon ni chue. Will be agide gudi jado manu bishi kuchuri kodabi bazin na jene ni gaze to momula message to sok manuge kunchaw munje. And since we have parents, elders, kumakan balse English bina jeno, kumba nakamishi balse na jeno to, moi aji kota goado, soft language, ki jane soft go bare de. Itu karne moron bra balse ki huno bare huni dibi, aro kipa kibi galti thaki libi. Moi labi special case is na aji first time aje, and I want to thank Apoksha Student Union for giving me this opportunity. Moi suru na break de moi lagapon introduction. I want to introduce myself. Kumakan moge jani daigo. Oli bishi manu moge na janigo. Oli moi laga first schooling. My schooling it started from Saint Xavier Mallory. Class 5 tak tade Saint Xavier de purise. Itu bishi de class 6 pa loina class 2 pra science ko pungla. Babi daigo bahar de science ko pungla do ekdam town city de je. Oli bi ekta jungle de jana purina je parent jungle de rakise. It's a army military boarding school ase, military school ase. Itu karne moila khota gwabi bishi rafo bare. Bishi to gange kumba kan to bishi soft lage. Uli mokan dade boado moila thick growing stage de tade pra learn kurise. To tade learn boado bishi raf ase mokan to. Itu karne bishi de khota gwaal dibi alo raf hoje to moron pra buji dibi. Aro itu sainik te class 12 tak puri gena engineering 4 years puri jise. Itu kuria bisde exam karne prepare kura dande one COVID. So manu jane se COVID aina 1-2 years isna. So man whole world was stopped for around 1 to 2 years isna ise. Exam dise niga gurina ulane first attempt to ulane niga gurina second attempt de hi junior engineer JEE paise. Maybe itu Korea dan de moi laga masters bhi jayena IIT Guwahati de kurise for 2 years. To itu Korea dan de aina JEE kurigena around 1.5 years na kam Korea dan de aro exam NPSC digena ita lecture kurese itu lecture post mo ita call kurese. Aji mo lo de adu mola moi sati tinjong ge anise first moi mola sati awise taibi forest department de Nabi forest department de kam greze GIS de. Next wala engineer chilo to. Tai pet de electrical department de GE greze. Aro moi laga next adi engineer rangam sinui tai SDO PH la SDO ze ida directorate tai boaze. Tangi be things de ze mulo de armole aji. Moi ide moge matiado first to guest speaker privi nya bise. To guest speaker ko ado mukando as a lecturer. Ini bi lecture la isate mondo lecture dia manoze. Bisi lecture dia. Manukan alsi bi lagio pare kuni na. Moi la students kan bi alsi lagi je sometimes to kilo mo extra class kan bi ki loina lecturers na. To itu karena special guest speaker badande acha gun lagi nya wado asal promotion by jubla nya wana special guest ise to bishi damo post nisna je moi garne to do thank you so much again Apoksha Student Union opportunity dia garne mugan aji de gather brado I think mugan ekta so manu ide ahado ekta mission garne ise let us all affirm ekta mission ido affirm grow la ise udo mission ki ase kulido tongla team de likhan isna Inspiring minds, igniting change. Itu gua jita aji mukan ide ikilo de gather brado to inspire young minds. Itu karena I see misna lagi. Aro with that change anule. Itu change tu mukan individual ekla kuan hoy. Will be families de society de at large na so manu miligena change I will itu laga hisab te mukan aji aise. I believe that is what we are here for. Ini misi program attend guru le nya kare na hoy. Hoilibi itu theme laga hisab te mukan aji attend guru je nya bisas je. Itu la opor de moi first point. Itu students sange baze gole mun jai. Bishi point aje gole paratak moi juli koi gina khatam gole try guru because even me I was in your seat. Moi be ek guru student lagi je. Mang bishi bhashan bishi lecture dia sar rilo alchi bi lagi je. Bujai bi na buji je na. To paratak moi juli gole try guru so please listen kiman parwo. Moi laga itu first point do student ke gom jado you are the future and you are created with a purpose. Either you are the future matlab to 5 years bisde to shadi ho bisde to kam pa bisde itu no way. What this future itu gom jado this future is not something that is far ahead na. Itu to ityas right now you are building it up. To ita ki present. How are you spending your time? To laga ita time every second, every hour, every choice. तो की choice बना जे तो इतना पूर्व मन जासना इतो पूर्व मन जासना गलती काम पूर्व मन जासना ठीक काम पूर्व मन जासे those are your futures इते तो की choose पूर्व वो तो ही तो ला future जे इतो बाजे जनो लगे it is shaping you तो की choose पूर्व तो की काम करे जे it will shape you as a person who you want to become इतो बाजे जनो लगे आरो मगन भावे कि इतो दुनिया दे they need a perfect student ना बोली मुइला हिसाब तो the world does not need a perfect student. What they actually need is they need a responsible, take responsible and discipline and well value thaka manu. I think that is what the society needs. That is what the world needs right now. Itu laga porde mo gomu jado sob student ide kiman ase everybody is created unique. So manu ke alag banai dise. Bisi tu ide ahan accident pra nawe. Tu ide hado ekta purpose ase, ekta calling ase. Isorba tu ide pata do ini mission sipat na pato mulai sakti do pinya ase. Itu dunia de mokan achikali academic pressure wi, aro mokan ide competition wi, bishi high wi dise. Aro social media influence. Itu do that is a very huge topic na. Kali itu social media influence la pore kota ko goi na aro bishi diri jaw bolo. Itu kan bishi problem ase. Aro sabse damor idea itu society de taka do fear of failure. Mukan bhoi khai. Mukan kiba kam guru na pari jele do failure na. Itu bishi bhoi khai mukan. Hulbi mu itu la hisab de mu so manu ke jani di umun jado. Tu laga itu exam de tu marks ba. Yes, it is very important. Marks ba pa. This is your condition. Ba la je hoy. Hulbi that is not all. Tu laga value as a person. Itu bishi important ase. Itu jano lage. And what you need to do is you need to trust the process. Itu process tu ki ase bedo work hard, काम करो भी तो कौन ऑफिसर के भी जना लोग पाए सब मनो आराम पर पैसे नहीं ना सब मनो they spend their time studying ना hard work करूँ दुख पाए ना पूरी कीजिए सब मनो टेक प्रा मन दी ना पूरी की ना उलाहन थे वो and you need to stay honest to yourself because इधर एक टाइम का क्या बात है success achieved through integrity will last longer मगर चीट पूरी की ना success हो जाए तो इधर तो जो ही खत्म हो जाओ. But whatever success you earn through your hard work, tu mon dina kam grise, tu laka mon dina tipra kam gurina success you do, uto to bishi diri last hobo. Itu jana lage. Itu lawa pore, itu bi komo jay. Your background does not decide your future, your mindset does. Kumba kanto mo ke saw pare hoy, mo la baba kanto ini ka damar mano se, amne kan ini ka bi khigo pare, ta laga baba damar se, ta lama damar mano se, itu karne ta la bacha ini ka. That, yes, your family matters, but your mindset is the most thing which will matter. Kilo le do muy jane se, muy la sati kan kumba kana se. Tala baba kan alok pakala hoy gina nyabi se. Tala ama na taka, baba na taka. But still, tamni success hoy na officer ekta damor hoy na sati kan nyaka bishi as do. So if they get, why not us na? Tui kiman tui laga dukia se to kane na paru ini kan hoy. Mindset to your mindset should be strong. Hoy, you have to give in extra effort. Obviously do. Will it be? Still, you can do it. Your mindset is very important. Itu jani do mujhe. Itu laga opori jai na mo next point jauh do. Inspire your own mind. Itu inspire your own mind. Inspiration do man alak manu kan babi low pare. Itya mo ikuin na kumba manu ho pare na ho pare. Kumba mo kan idol kan dage na. Nijur laga. Kumba officers kan dage tange sa inspire hoy. Will it be the main thing which is very important is inspiration from inside. নিজৰ লাগা ভিতৰ পৰা ইনস্পায়াৰ হোৱা এইটো সবচে ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট আছে তুই নিজৰ ভিতৰ পৰা ইনস্পায়াৰ নহলে মানুহ কিমান কইলেবি মোটিভেশন কিমান দিলেবি এতিয়া মোটিভেট হ'ব এতিয়া মোটিভেট হৈ যায় না কোনোবাটো কৰিব পাৰে এক ঘণ্টা 2 ঘণ্টা হলিবি এইটো নাযাব হলিবি তুই মন ভিতৰ পৰা মই এইটো কৰিবলৈ মন যায় you ask yourself তুই নিজকে সুধিবি what kind of person I want to become ডাঙৰ নকি কিনা মানুহ হ'ব মন যায় মানুহকে সার্ভ কৰিব মন যায় মানুহকে ভাল যে মানুহৰ তুকে হাই ৰিগাৰ্ড দিব মন যায় না তুই মানুহ লাগা ভিতৰতে বহ মন যায় এইটো তুই নিজে ভালছে ভিতৰ পৰা ইনস্পায়াৰ হৈ না এইটো জানিব লাগে আৰু এইটো গলা নহয় না এইটো নলেজটো মোখান এইটো তোম জানা ঘুৰে যে খালি ডিগ্ৰী একলা লছ না এইটো নলেজ লৈ তুই কিবা কাম কৰে যে এইটো বি জানি দিব মন যায় ইতে কি লিখলে তো ইতে বি লিখিনা যে a focused and inspired mind can overcome fear failure and doubt তুই লাগা mind inspired or focused if you are focused তুই লাগা mind ঠিক focus আছে বলি তো তুই লাগা ভয় পৰা বি overcome কৰিব পারব তুই লা failure kan মুকা সব মানুহ doubt থাকে মই বি doubt থাকিছে exam পুৰি দন্দে sometimes পাৰি যাব নেকি বলি sometimes একদম কিমান পুৰিলেবি নাপাৰো নিচিনা এনেকা doubt বেছি আহি যায় বলিবি it shouldn't stop you itu জানিব লাগে and you need to know that failure is not the end itu failure ro tu ekbar fail hoise itu karone hoise এনেকা নহয় বলি this failure this is a lesson mokan class te chapter 1 chapter 2 lesson লাগে itu নিচিনাই যে itu failure be so let it be a lesson let it be a stepping stone to your success itu lago pore moi next point di jaw mon jado learning beyond books be a valued person itu beshi important ase to ajikali mokan sob manu ini puila dande to class 10 pass itu kan beshi kom di dekje ajikali ni normal graduate hobe man manu beshi hoje thousands and thousands of graduates are there exam diole dande to 10-20,000 manu aina NPC exam de je manu to beshi hoje je bole bi degree bi beshi hoje je bole itu degree do sob na hoy what you need to have is true learning ki hekai bole do discipline to work hard tohange discipline thake itu thakibole lage that is your true learning to itu ra ki learn ko lage and courage to stand for what is right itu bishi important ase ki lage Martin Luther King Jr. ba kodo the ultimate tragedy is not the oppression and cruelty by the bad people but the silence over death by the good people manu galdi kam kore je holibi tu itu galdi kam kore je na koi na tu chupchap boa matlab you know that it is wrong but still you are keeping silent that is the biggest tragedy koi na ilo Martin Luther King Jr. ba koise aro ite laga point de moi ko mo jado humility to accept mistake mokan ajikali galdi kam kore to kuma do galdi bi ase na bi namane jani na galdi kore bi galdi namane na jani na galdi hoje tu jane ase holibi namane will be the humility to accept mistake this is one of the big character which we need to have so manu as an adult no as a student so manu tui galdi ase na manu bole itu bishi dangor kam ase aro ide akide moi degree la kwala do itla said do knowledge makes you skilled but value makes you strong tu itu value moi ita ki guje to value thagi sido it will make you a strong person it will make you a good leader ekta bhal leader ho professional ekla de na hoy bolibi tu laga nijo character de hoy it will make you a very good person and the society needs a good citizen right now itu lago pore next point de jaw mon jado be a change maker today apni kala theme de bi likhina je igniting change itu change kwado tu a doctor hoina engineer hoina officer hoina change pro itu ko na hoy changes to so manu every time huni dayo holibi changes to ek rati pa to hole na paro ki koilibi kun ki koilibi ek rati pa to kurule na paro itu change to kitia ho bole do when you have the right attitude nijon la bitore ekta right attitude thakise aro if you are honest with yourself itu and if you students kangane goza if you respect your teachers tu la teachers kangane respect krise tu la parents kangane respect krise and when you are helping your struggling friends itu kam bishi important ase and you need to choose effort over excuses. Itu effort over excuses. मतलब तो मुगान आजिकली मनु के मदद करो पारे पहले में मदद ना करी के ना excuse दे. So we need to choose effort. पारिवी ना पारिवी मुझे कितना मदद करो पारे इधु करो ले. So please choose effort over excuses. Kili boleh tu bukan cutu actions, small actions. Whatever we do continuously, itu puri dah jadi tu, it will make a very powerful. It will create a powerful change. So manu ke nijo ke bhi hobi, society ke bhi hobi, itu change tu सब kaya ho. Aro itu fifth point. Student kami ko mo jado use your potential wisely. So manu ke आगे देखो आनिस ना इसो बड़ा एक blessing तो सब के दिना है. Everybody is created uniquely. itu jano lagi. Aro itu bisi important je. Mukan आजिकली manu ke saya na bisi compare करे. एक जन के साथ compare करो. Talar marks bisi baik. Tay ini ka sahaja sundur. Ini ka bisi compare करे. Boleh what you need to do is instead of comparing, manu ke compare करो तो निजो के compare करो ना. निजो के just challenge yourself, improve yourself daily. Mukan आजिकली बच्चा का game kan खेले ना. PUBG हुई, की game kan खेले. Tadi what we do is we level up. Game खेली ना, की पाएगी ना level up करे. Itu nisna with yourself every day. Kipa to level kuri. So that you become a good person. Itu bisi important aja. And you need to stay curious. Baca aja curious tayo lagi. You need to be curious about learning stuff. Itu very important, very important. After that, you need to stay disciplined and stay positive. Itu jano lagi. You have to remember, success without purpose is empty. Let your success be meaningful. Tu misam si iku purpose na tagi na, iku tu laga end goal na tagi na. Ini misam si puri na jaze. Nya itu be meaningful. Welu itu puri ado itu ekta kam ulau le. You need to have that purpose. Damo ini inya homo je, inya welu itu tik homo. Ekta purpose tagi na kam puri si welu. That is how you can enjoy your success. Aro, itu last point. Face challenges with courage. Ami kala life de so manu ke test kure. Dangor hobi, chutu hobi, bacha hobi, so manu ke test kure. Pressure lage. We have pressure, confusion, moments of doubt. Doubts to bishi lage. Aro, itu challenges kan to muang ke stop kurule na way. You need to know that these challenges are not there to stop you. These challenges are meant to strengthen you. Iso babi ekta Bible verse de exact na zane. Bible verse de likhina ase. To kiman tak you be tempted as much as you can overcome that. Iso babi is extra tem na kulo. Tai to get thick diwo where you can become stronger through that iniga. To itu nisna mukan kiki temptation aibi, kiki problem aibi, kiki aibi. You need to know that you can overcome that. God knows that you can overcome that. Itu karena mukan itu lah opore give up na kurigi na. Itu all say challenges can face kuro lagi. So let us stay focused. We have to stay positive and we have to trust the process. Itu process to for students bisi important as that is work hard, be honest to yourself. Itu duita point them. Aro aji the parents kami bisi na as boy parents kami bi gole bisi monjai itu that you are the foundation. One core banan de foundation strong na tagi je. Opor kiman dangor hoile be kiman takat hoile be gas nisna kan. Kiman dangor hoile be tala root to thick takat na hoise be hawa marile giri jaye. Itu nisna ghor kan be foundation thick takat na tagi se do one sing ho jaye. Nale ghor kan damage be ho jaye, biya ho jaye. Itu nisna parents kan itu foundation ase. Itu tu laga role. Itu ini ka institution kan dangor manu kan big way. Your role in your child's life cannot be replaced by institution. Dangor institution hobi, dangor kiki hobi, church kan hobi, school kan hobi, they cannot replace you. Parents ke itu kan kung replace ko na bro. You are very unique to your children. Itu jano lagi. What you can do is you provide emotional strength, moral guidance, spiritual grounding. Emotional strength itu kan bisi important aja. Takkan parents students kan duk padan de, apni kan tuila baca kan duk padan de, apni kan tangan emotional strength dan grow करे. Agar deh muala PSU president ravi itu lah kusi parents kan laga role lah, itu laga same aja. Itu laga parents lah role de kodo, ekta go monje. Moi pula exam dia kan de moi laga room ase moi laga next room de moi laga ama baba la room ase tade morning de moi uthi je gole do ama do ta laga room de moi so bacha karne pradna kuri di dage sometimes so kanding bi pradna kuri di dage to utu huni ge na moi la mon de bi chui de aro moi bi pura dan de uli bi o moi la kam kura dan de tu bhabi ge na thik bishi urges lage na learning baze puro le nya तो इतु निस्ना मोय पेरेंट्स कंगे कोले मुन जादो तु लगा एक्शन योर वर्ड्स योर एक्शंस योर प्रेयर्स इतु तो तु ला बच्चा दो लाइफ लॉन्ग इंप्रेशन लागिवो इतु ना तो पिसी इंपोर्टेंट आजे किलो ले तो बाइबल वर्स ते भी लिखिना आजे प्रोवर्ब्स चैप्टर 22 verse 6 there train up a child in the way he should go and when he is old he will not depart from it tu laga bacha ke ठीक इन्हीं का हेकावी गीता बुरा होइली भी इदु तु की हेकाई से इदु पुरा नहाती वो इदु बाइबल दे भी लिखिना जे encourage your children बासे encourage करी भी then तांगी भी हुनी भी होय one day मुखान दामरो इजिबले तो मुखान भी एक बड़ो बच्चा ताकि से न्या भी हो जाए बोली भी तु ला बच्चा का की कोसे इदु भी हुनी दिबी because from what I see मुखान इदु तो generational gap भी हो जाए पुला दम देखि न्या हो जाए आजिकली yes values thagi bole lage pula laga values bolu there are many things which have changed mukan sob manu jane digital era hoje bishi ki change hoje to ido bacha kan ge bi huni dibi and guide them patiently gusa tan ki koile do gusa uthi na mukan gusa uthi na nya hoje do mala parents aro bacha laga relationship break hoje to parents kan morom bra students kan ki ko aje talab tula bacha kan ki ko aje dibi morom bra huni dibi and remind them failure is not the end it is a lesson mukan failure hoje do ekdam tu do na paru ni kan na hoi gina mukan iku na hoy I'm there for you itu laga hisab de strengthen them emotionally this is very important kilo do mukan me inya pura dan de ek par di gina ula nai to ama baba bra tu do na paru inya boli do how do you expect a child na Israel laga bacha kini ka how do you expect them to success kini aba wonya wili do to itu karne morom bra itu jani do monje mukan iman inya kwase uribi moi mukan puchuri context itu puchuri context par alak ko wile monje puchuri de mukan bola 2000 kiman ta gaze mukan 4% kota dagise ajikali uribi after 2010 na kiman laje mukan only 2% hoje but itu bhabi ke na mukan monduk na hobi itu lado moi bishi na go because even me I don't know exactly what happened 4% 2% kinya hoje to ki hoje lado moi chamala kan do balje na jne do so I don't have the capacity to say what happened hobi itu 2% ase but let us not na 2% ase ki ho let us not care about the 2% why do we need 2% अरे अजी आगे दे आएगी ना टॉपर होल नागालैंड दे टॉपर मारे है ना एक ता पॉसिबल नहीं है टॉप मारे है so मुखामी पारे है तो why we cannot be in general category we can do it itu kan itu 2% aja na babi bi because moi laga sati ekta aja tai DSP hoje last 2 years back tai moge kwado Delhi de jana coaching ladam de tai nya hoje UPSC दिया है तो UPSC दिया रहते हैं तो ST कोटा आसे ना बाबे कुछ because when you think you have ST quota you belittle yourself तो निजे के लिए नहीं होजे तो पूरा बोले भी आप लोग तो ST quota आसे itu निजना मुकाम में NPC दिया रहते हैं मुकाम खाली general quota है जे बाबे के ना मोन दिए ना पूरे because 2% के तो कितना मानो के accommodate पूरे पारो let us compete with our Naga brothers ना Otai mo la puchuri bitor de hi odai juji lagile do wila isab de do mukan do do we are going down and down so we need to work hard itu bishi important ase and moi kimisa go holibe first moi JE pa aro ite lecture pa do difference bishi ase when you get with general kota tu la feeling bi ekta alag bhal lage tu naka manu lo de bi jai na ina compete kuro para do manu bi tu ke respect bi thage itu karena morom bra students kan gibi gwaje khali 2% aje itu karena hoi jabo ini kan nalui gina general kota de focus kuri gina balje puri diu monje aro idu laga opor de moi graduate nohwa kange bi idu ko munje you start preparing before your graduate of business start kuri shikle to ki misa ko aji kale to it becomes late kilo bile aji kale bishi bacha khani aji kale to ula start hoise exam npc kan debi to ami sok manu jane je social media use kuri thakibo to idu gane when you let's say when you're in your second year third year start preparing itu bishi important ase moi idu bishi monduk lagya to moi la sati chaka sang kan bi ase kumba kan ase takan kinya kure to pratna bi kurbo kagas bi kurbo fasting bi lobo balse kurbo oli mo naka man puchuri manu ke sai je jule do church te fasting loina kures na kinya ase mo exact na jine oli bi manu kan do iniga ase manu kan do iniga kuri ke na balse kures mon di ke na isor ke bi pura mon di ke na balse mangi ase itula pure aina pura bi balse kure ase so when they are doing both the things mukan ikun na kuri ke na I don't think we can be rewarded mukan to kam na kuri kinya reward pabo na itu karena morong bra mukan kun hoilibi itu kan agede moi boys na mula sati kan bi aina se tangi be biside bi interact bi kuro paro students kan hoilibi if there is no hard work nijo kam na kuri se hoili do the reward to misha to ajigili na pabo itu to frankly speaking bishi moi false bi na pabo ajigili bishi competition bishi high hoise aro itu laga pore moi goli mun jado student thakata to mon ekta bottle bitore thaka isna ase bottle bitore holibi tu kam paise gule to it's very refreshing I'm telling the truth kam pa bise bishi mon aram bai yes parents kan hoigina moi be I'll be worried about my sons and daughters ki bo pare my ki bacha inika they are different worries so on the worry de holibi trust me tu job pa bise you feel so good mudza ase bishi aram ase you feel your heart lightens kilule moi ek student dagise exam di dagise itu karena morong bra I want to welcome each and every one of you graduate hoigina kam baigina mon ikilode itu society puchur manu ke mon ikilode fill up kurule I want to welcome each and every one of you so please study hard work hard be honest with yourself itu kuidu munje aro itu lago pore ajuli coaching classes bi dia je apni kan janu na nai holibi itu bi moi alop kuidu mun jado I think this is fourth time hone ki this time every year 10 manuge coaching karne encourage kuri dege apni kan jani lego itu coaching class to fully funded by mugala mele darba fund grina je 10 students je tate morong bra again if you want coaching low le mun jai gule do itu aro advice to kurule je to takan itu to mission ji na hoina this time to exam di gina best of kuchuri manuge encourage kurule dosho manuge hodai coaching every year lo le di ge to please take the opportunity manugan aigena last time bi aina sadu takan 10 seat de khali 20 manu bi puncha nai ni ge aigena entrance di je itu saigena mon bi duk pai itu saigena misana go lebi mola baba kan we itu saigena aya next year na di jawo nyaki bhabi jai na kilule mo kami sabina manu ase to manu student bra itu lole mun thaka nisna 10 ta seat khali 20 manu bra aina entrance di je to itu do manu be bishi disheartened ho jai itu kane morong bra inya opportunity pa dande free coaching ase everything is fully funded so inya opportunity kan morong bra lui dibi bi khotabe bishi dangor bi koise go lebi morong bra age de kwanis na moi go sainik bra ase army school ase bishi rough and tough brother ase itu kane apnian kuni kena alop nijo norm lui dibi moi edu conclusion de age de koi daga na conclusion de itu students kange kouli munje when your mind is inspired with the right thought and values change naturally follows tila dimag de tila ka mindset to if it is inspired to focus ase kuile do right thoughts and values tila dimag de ase kuile do naturally changes aiwo itu jani do munje so be a student who thinks deeply think probably acts responsibly and dream boldly itu dreams to very important खाली घुमाइकन सपना पाओ इदु नहोय but dream boldly and work hard according to it तुई डाঙर ड्रीम কৰিছিলে তো তুই ডাঙৰ কাম কৰিব লাগিব তুই ছোট ड्रीम কৰিছিলে তো তুই ছোট কাম কৰিব লাগিব তো ইদু মানে dream boldly and work hard according to your dream and let your learning not only shape your career but also shape your character character বেছি ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট আছে ইদু জানিব লাগে আৰু ইদু সব মানুহকে জানি দিও মই জানো when student rises with a purpose society rises with them idu karone morom bra parents kan je bi ko ase students kan naga welfare to beshi important ase to tahan naga tangna welfare bhal hoise if their welfare if they rise with a purpose sob student ge ekta purpose digena uthaise bili to tilo society bi uthibo idu karone aji let us all commit ourselves today sob student karone ase idu commit kuru mon jado to inspire mind with knowledge and wisdom nijor laga dimag to aji nijor laga dimag inspire with your knowledge and values for inspire kodu munjai and to ignite change through values and services tu laga values kan thakina tu la service pra itu society change korule itu jani to munjai aro ide parents kan elders kan aina je itu karne bi koi dibo itu karne bi moi ekta tonge bi commit kori diu munjado to guide our students towards a future filled with hope and purpose. Itu mga students kan iman ase tange tanga future kane bhabi digina with purpose hope ekta hope digina itu uthai dole mon jai tange. Aro itu point de noe olebi satini kan apni kan moi najne holibe ajikali boyfriend girlfriend nabi bishi thage it's not bad bia howa banai holibe moi id gwati de pura plain manuan kini means mainland manu kini ga ase holi to boyfriend girlfriend ase holibe tahan do library de jena ekjon ke push kuna pure to itu nisna khali ide aina khali morom ba causes students kan tui mota thagi se boyfriend thagi se girlfriend thagi se nya holibe use it for a good cause na ikilo de ekjon ke push kuri na future karne for your future baze push kuri na ekjon ke encourage kuri na ikilo de bole la isap de pra baze ekjon ke encourage na pura likha hui kaam pura hui ki hui ekjon ke encourage kuri na build up yourself build each other this is very important itu points na khali boyfriend girlfriend ko no hoy satin la ma jode friend circle ase hoina khali girl kam gurule sati na hoina bhal kam gurule ekjon ke encourage kuri na cho sati bhai apni bi puribi moi bi purbo aro ekilo de kam kuri na ekilo de itu society uthabo iniga ekta bhabi dibo mon jai aro age de points na bishi dangor khota bi koise bo moi de man dangor man bi noe olibe bishi dangor khota koise le to maaf kuri dibi aro kumba ekta duta points bi apni la inspire karo pari sible to morom bra use it utilize it for your good aro to the society karne and I once again thank the Apoksa Student Union for giving me this opportunity and I pray moi la pratna de thagibo ki all students we elders we parents kan we I always pray for you all aro apni kan bi ekjon karne nijor laga bacha nijor la ama baba dada bhai elders kan village elders kan kiman ase ekjon karne pratna kuri thakibi so that we can build a better future together I once again thank and wish the very best future for Apoksa Student Union. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for such a thoughtful and inspiring message. Your words reflect not only wisdom and experience, but also a deep sense of compassion and responsibility towards society. May your life and work continue to inspire us to work with integrity, serve with humility, and contribute meaningful wherever we are placed. Proceeding further, we invite Mr. Ranong Apungo to present the Secretary's report highlighting the activities and progress of the Union.
Respected
各位，这边这些你到位，这边这些很到位做起行的，你希望他这边爸爸。如果你是呢，吃不苦的就，做吧，你做吧，后你把我呗，一把把。那还不要再想的，你不是给了那他呢？一把把这数就好吧，你这是不大，说话到位，那么你无法去做他那一把把。在日照到位，做个看见到位，那么你为他那一把把。你如果没有呢，我讲我的，那你就说话讲究。如果你这个不了，你要为么你要呢？说话个那还没有一把把。那还不要再想着，做把你做吧。如果没有呢，后讲我的那些讲究，是讲我的，绝对可以。后讲我的，你我对我儿子做单位能有好几个他那爸爸。我就是个谁爸爸就好把你瞧着他就想，你要真心大真心嘛哈比，那你做无所谓。一个呢，那肯定是爸爸为了呢，那其他其实爸爸为了呢，我这就同的，人家那影响本想那个他就想。就是因为上面最后他被哈宾群的，也跟着嘛就你爸爸，也得领袖都这么个，我们就那么好到出门的呢，苦为你为他们的，人家黑不看开，也是跟说为他那位，跟着那个人呢，人这个要我了，有很看开的吧，就是个啥到手续半年的，一般就好了了，讲为要为做这样的，看来，阿门。
Valued presence and cooperation, all delegates and invitees are kindly requested to proceed for lunch.
Our special invitees ko, at siya ay nga ako, para sa lunch na ayaw mga abang